Hi, my name is Professor Jake Lawson. Welcome to this journey through augmented reality AR and virtual reality VR in marketing. Today we are going to study the chapter titled AR and VR, a new era in marketing. In this chapter, we'll explore how AR and VR are transforming traditional marketing strategies. They create immersive, engaging brand experiences through gamification, emotional engagement, and interactive storytelling. AR and VR, emerging technologies in marketing. AR/VR are no longer niche. They're becoming mainstream marketing tools. They help marketers create unique experiences by blending the physical and digital worlds. Brands are using AR filters on Instagram or VR tours for properties and stores. This elevates the consumer journey from passive viewing to active participation. They're not just engaging, they're also memorable, improving brand recall. Immersive engagement, disrupting traditional marketing. Traditional marketing methods are static, like billboards or TV ads. AR/VR transforms these into interactive stories where the consumer becomes part of the experience. For example, instead of watching a shoe ad, consumers can now virtually try on sneakers using AR. Immersive experiences and personalized marketing. AR/VR lets marketers create personalized journeys for each user. A beauty brand can scan a customer's face and suggest lipstick shades using AR. This creates a unique customer experience for every individual. It also increases the chances of conversion because it reduces uncertainty. Consumer experience in AR/VR. The consumer is no longer just a viewer, but a participant. They can walk through a virtual showroom, play with product features, or receive guided tutorials. This interaction builds emotional connections with the brand. It taps into curiosity, excitement, and memory, which are powerful psychological drivers. Gamification in AR/VR. Gamification means adding game elements like rewards, challenges, and scores to marketing. Brands like Nike and Pepsi use AR games to boost interaction. Consumers earn points, unlock rewards, or share achievements online. This makes brand engagement fun, social, and shareable. Gamified campaigns often go viral, offering high return on investment on engagement. Creating immersive brand experiences. AR/VR can build entire brand environments like virtual theme parks or showrooms. These experiences are emotional, entertaining, and memorable. Think of IKEA's AR app that lets you place furniture in your room virtually. The power of visual and sensory engagement. AR/VR combines visuals, sound, and interaction to engage multiple senses. This sensory richness creates a deeper experience than simple videos or texts. High-quality 3D models, spatial audio, and even touch feedback are used. When more senses are engaged, the brain processes and stores the experience better, enhancing interactivity. With AR/VR, the user is not just watching, they're doing. They can interact in real time, clicking, dragging, walking, or responding. For example, in a VR store, a user can pick up products, rotate them, and check features. This creates real-time feedback loops that guide decisions. It gives the brand data and the user confidence. AR/VR case studies. Brands like L'Oreal, IKEA, and BMW have successfully used AR/VR. L'Oreal lets users try makeup virtually, reducing return rates. BMW gives virtual test drives through immersive videos. These case studies prove that AR/VR improves engagement, reduces hesitation, and increases purchase intent, transforming e-commerce. AR/VR is redefining online shopping. Customers can now try on clothes, test glasses, or walk through furniture layouts virtually. This bridges the gap between in-store confidence and online convenience. It reduces product returns and improves satisfaction. More brands are adopting virtual try before you buy strategies. AR, VR, and decision making. When people can see, touch, and feel products virtually, they make faster decisions. AR/VR reduces uncertainty and increases confidence in what they're buying. This means fewer abandoned carts and better conversion rates. Consumers are more willing to pay when they understand a product thoroughly. This makes AR/VR a powerful tool in closing sales. The future of retail. Virtual showrooms are the future. Customers can browse entire catalogs in 3D from their homes. AR can guide them in physical stores, like digital signs or product guides. Shopping becomes personal, immersive, and efficient. This hybrid approach combines digital ease and physical experience, building brand loyalty. AR/VR creates emotional stickiness. When consumers enjoy immersive experiences, they form lasting memories. These memories lead to brand loyalty, even if the product is slightly costlier. Brands go beyond products to offer experiences, turning buyers into ambassadors. This is the new loyalty loop, based on interaction, not just transactions. AR/VR for market research. These technologies don't just engage, they also observe. AR/VR systems track where users look, what they touch, and how long they stay. This gives real-time behavior insights for marketers. It helps in targeting, product design, and campaign optimization. Market research becomes faster, smarter, and more accurate. AR, VR, and social media. AR filters and effects on Snapchat, Instagram, and TikTok are already popular. They increase time spent on platforms and boost content sharing. Brands use these tools to make social campaigns more playful and participative. Consumers not only view content, they co-create it. This enhances reach and brand virality. Cost of AR/VR marketing. While powerful, AR/VR isn't cheap. Development, testing, and hardware have high upfront costs. But over time, the ROI is strong through increased engagement and sales. Smaller brands can start with simpler AR tools like Instagram filters. The key is to balance creativity, cost, and strategic value. Ethical considerations. As brands collect data via AR/VR, privacy becomes critical. Users must be informed about data use and tracking. Also, immersive content should not manipulate emotions unethically. Brands must be transparent and respectful. Ethics builds trust and long-term brand value. Barriers to adoption. Two major barriers: high cost of implementation, limited consumer access to headsets or compatible phones. Marketers must find ways to reduce complexity and expand accessibility. Mobile AR is one solution. Partnerships with tech providers can also reduce cost. The future of AR/VR marketing. AR/VR will be central to future marketing strategies. With AI, 5G, and wearable devices, experiences will become more personal and real-time. Marketers must stay ahead by learning, experimenting, and innovating. This is not a trend, it's a new era of consumer engagement. The brands that adapt will shape the future.